control.
Out of control.
All right, we'll see what happens. This looks like this.
I feel like there's south wind coming down. There's
Every year when I come to the festival, I give a big thank you. The culinary team, Devin Patchett and his team, do the best goddamn job. Big thank you. Come on. And they have to clean up my mess every year. That's why I brought them these really nice mugs this year. But here we go, Devin, I'm sorry, buddy. Here we go, Latham, can I get some I need some, make a hot mess music. What do we have for hot mess music? We have a little Casey and the Sunshine Band, anything like that? Are you guys ready to dance, get into this?
everyone on your feet. Everyone on your feet. Everyone on your feet.
Hope you had a great time at the festival. Appreciate you bringing your money here. Let's get out of this. I'll tell you what, big thank you to Antonia, big thank you to Brooke, the Hunt. This festival happens because of you, for you. Can't thank you enough. Please make sure when you go out there, make sure you give some love to our first responders, to our military. Thank everybody making this festival happen. You are great.